Ever pondered the role of green onions in your favorite dishes? From the hearty soups of Eastern Europe to the spicy stir-fries of Asia, green onions, also known as scallions, have carved out a niche in kitchens worldwide. But what exactly makes this humble vegetable such a universal favorite? Green onions belong to the genus Allium, a family of flowering plants that includes over 800 species, among them the familiar faces of garlic, onion and chives. First described by Carl Linnaeus in the mid-18th century, Allium species are found in the temperate climates of the Northern Hemisphere, celebrated for their distinct taste and odor. Green onions are characterized by their herbaceous, perennial nature, growing year after year from true bulbs. They're identifiable by their long, slender leaves and white bases, which transition into a pale green stem. The entire plant is edible, providing a versatile ingredient that can be used in a myriad of dishes. While the white base offers a robust onion flavor, the green stems provide a more subtle taste, often compared to a cross between garlic and sweet onion. This combination of flavors allows green onions to provide a unique taste profile, enhancing the flavors of other ingredients without overpowering them. In the culinary world, green onions are a versatile addition to any chef's arsenal. They're used raw in salads for a fresh, crisp texture, sautéed in stir-fries for a sweet, mellow flavor, or baked into bread for a hint of savory goodness. From garnishing soups to stuffing dumplings, the possibilities are as endless as they are delicious. But green onions aren't just about flavor. They also pack a nutritional punch, boasting a high content of vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like potassium and manganese. In addition, they're a good source of dietary fiber, contributing to gut health and overall well-being. Moreover, green onions have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Ingested or applied topically, they're believed to have antibacterial properties, helping to fight off infections. Some cultures even use green onions as a natural remedy for colds and flu, attributing to them immune-boosting properties. In conclusion, green onions are much more than a simple garnish. They are a botanical wonder, a culinary staple, and a health booster rolled into one. Belonging to the Allium genus, they offer a unique flavor profile that complements a wide array of dishes. Versatile in use, they can be eaten raw, sautéed or baked, enhancing the taste of meals while providing essential nutrients. From their humble origins in the Northern Hemisphere, green onions have found their way into kitchens and hearts worldwide, proving that sometimes the simplest ingredients make the biggest impact.